Which is bigger, 0.999 or 1? Okay, let x equals 0.999. Continue. Multiply both sides by 10, right? So 10x equals 9.999. Continue. Now subtract the first equation from the second. So 10x x minus x equals 9.999. Continue. And minus 0.999. Continue. Now equals 9x, right? So 9x equals 9. Now x equals 1. So 0.999 continue equals 1, not just approximately. Therefore neither is bigger, they are the same numbers.